Hi, are you feeling overwhelmed by the constant buzz of digital devices? Craving clarity of mind, but drowning in constant notifications? Well, welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. Let's explore how our digital world is fracturing our focus. Studies show that constant exposure to screens can lead to cognitive fatigue, and that's going to impact memory and concentration. Now, you're going to want to stay with me until the end for a bonus longevity secret that combines an ancient technique with modern clarity. So, in traditional Chinese medicine, excessive screen time is thought to cause what we call a shen disturbance. And disturbing the shen or spirit can bring about imbalance and restlessness. This ancient understanding emphasizes the need for harmony and balance. So, how can you reclaim your brain space? Well, let's start with tech-free zones in your home, or assign specific digital downtime. And this can be a certain number of hours each day that you delegate to non-digital devices to allow your mind to decompress and rejuvenate. Now, let's talk about some benefits of mindful practices. Remember that mindfulness isn't just meditation. Try incorporating mindful walks or digital decluttering sessions. And this can help start your day fresh and refocused. Okay, so now time for the bonus tip. A treasured technique of traditional Chinese medicine that can help with mindfulness is Qi Gong. You guys probably guessed that, but this practice helps synchronize breath with movement. And this is going to help clear any energy pathway and sharpen your mental acuity. The idea of incorporating things like Tai Chi and Qi Gong for mental acuity seem very simple, but they're not all easy. But just like we covered in the last video, guys, ladies, try and incorporate 5 minutes a day and simple Qigong exercises. I will post a short for you so that we can take a look at what some simple Qigong exercises look like to get you started on your mental acuity path and declutter from these digital screens. So if you found this helpful or this resonated with you, just click the subscribe button, the notifications bell, the like, just so that this can get out to more people that can use this digital decluttering. Until then, stay rooted, radiant, and beautifully balanced. I'll see you on the next video.